Exercise number 49. From what I know of Cedric Spring, he has no claims to supreme cleverness. Full stop. It would be safer to describe him as a spruce young fellow, with a very strong belief in himself. Full stop. He is, possibly, a bit masterful in his manner, but he is the more likely to succeed because of his liking for work. Full stop. Nor do I think he is in any extreme sense a pleasure seeker. Full stop. Far from it. Full stop. I am sure there is no more honorable fellow in the city, and it will surprise me if he fails to make a name for himself. Full stop. As he lives near me, I travel with him several days a week, and I must say he has a plausible tongue, which should assist him in his business. Full stop.